What up, good peoples? What's happening, man? Hey, you click that video, you already know what it is. It's winning time. It's money time. You understand what I'm saying? I ain't here finna pull up no charts and all that. I'm finna show you how to make some money. Period. Point blank. You know what I'm saying? So, in crypto, it's two things. Get rich or get wrecked. Really, it's get rich and get wrecked. That's what it is, man. But look, something brand new. Got this from my boy Big Schmop. Brand new. We're gonna do it like this, man. Look, Tron and Bank. That's the name of it. Just like Bank of Tron, probably the same people. They just upped the ante. You know what I'm saying? Just made they saw that the 5, 6, 7% was working. So they said, let's try 33%, 30%, 27%, and 24%. You see people, the deposits are coming in, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm down, man. Cause look, 200 Tron people that believe it will go work, still paying. Tron Mutual, still paying. Tron Chain, you know that's paying. Bank of Tron, still paying. Like all this stuff is still paying, man. We get paid Tron by the second. I just got in this. Look, Tron accumulates by the second. So every time you see me make a video, by the time I make another video, money is being made. I just got in this. Just. You can still see the amounts in here. I put 2,500 in every plan for 10,000. Maybe gone tomorrow, may last to Christmas. I don't know, but it's paying me 33% a day, 30% a day, 27% a day, and 4% a day. I mean, damn, 24% a day. Now, you know that ain't sustainable. It ain't gonna last forever. But just like 200 Tron, that thing been going for over 20 days, paying 20% a day. You know how much crypto that is, man? Don't look at where's Tron or IOST or Ethereum. It's crypto. You know what I'm saying? Just that simple. You put in $1,000 worth of Tron, that's $1,000 worth of ETH. It's all the same shit. Once you cash it out, you know what I'm saying? It just, man, people need to understand how this stuff works, man. It's crypto. Like I keep saying, you seen the other day, I took 100,000 Tron, turned it into ETH. I think it was like, what, 5, 6 ETH? Send that over to your Coinbase, send that over to your checking account. It's cash or whatever you want. Your crypto.com card, your spin card, it's all crypto. It's paying 33% a day, 30% a day, 27% a day, 24% a day. Why not take a chance? What you gonna do? What else you gonna do with 5,000 Tron? Nothing. Blow it. Like you might as well try. Why not try it? See, everybody, well, I ain't gonna say everybody, but a lot of people like to go just one side. Everything is a scam. Oh, everything, oh, crypto. Why are you even in crypto then if you think everything is a scam? Just what if these people ain't trying to scam you? Just what if they just threw up a contract, just as long as it's trying in the contract, you get paid? What if? Wow, a novel concept, huh? Somebody ain't trying to scam me. That's funny, man. But look here, man. I'm just here to show it to you, man. Like I say, everything else is still paying, man. I'm collecting Tron, so I'm in the game. It ain't costing me nothing. All this is just payments from all the other stuff that y'all thought was a scam. Oh, you're just waiting, just mad. Some people they mad because this stuff's still paying. Ain't that crazy? They are literally mad because this stuff is still paying. They can't wait, but they're gonna be the first one on my video. Oh, what happened to so and so? Oh, ha, 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 ha. What happened to Bank of Tron? Ha 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 ha. What happened to 200 Tron? What happened to Tron Mutual? T2X. Man, shut the fuck up. Anyway, like the video, man. Comment, subscribe. Check it out. Invest some Tron. Don't be a scary puss. Come in the Telegram. Say what you got to say. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on the library. You know how it is. And all that good stuff, man. Hey, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.